As soon as I send a message to this WhatsApp number, immediately I receive a welcome message from the chatbot. It says, "Welcome to Global Visa Consultants. How can we assist you today?" Along with one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me multiple types of visas. Let's say I want to book a consultation for work visa, so I'll select that option and see the chatbot ask me to select the country I am interested in. For example, I'll choose UK. Now the chatbot starts collecting all the required details one by one. First, it asks for my full name. Next, it asks for my contact number. After that, the email address. That it asks me to enter my visa related queries. So I'll type. Once that's done, the chatbot asks for my highest qualification. I'll select my qualification as well. And as soon as I submit all the details, the chatbot instantly sends me a personalized confirmation message. It says that visa consultation request received. Thank you, smart user. It includes the visa type as work visa, preferred country as UK, my qualification, contact number, email address, along with one quick button by the name of contact team. Once I click on this button, then you will see it shares me the contact details of the visa consultant. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Now, why Pabbly Chatflow? So the biggest reason is that it's completely beginner friendly. You don't need any coding knowledge to build a professional WhatsApp chatbot. Using its drag and drop flow builder, you can easily create a chatbot flows and customer journey by simply connecting different blocks. And trust me, the creation process of this flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. Now, before we start building the chatbot, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this chatbot. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to come inside this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no code user friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new chatbot flow, you have to click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of creating your flow name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you need to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. I am selecting the keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. For adding a keyword, you just have to enter the word in this field and press enter. So this is how easily you can add keywords. Here I added only 2 keywords, but you can add more. Now whenever the client will send any of these words to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my immigration agency, including one option in the form of list. So for setting up this type of messages, you just have to take this list button from here. As you can see, this list button is divided in 3 parts, name as header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly entering a message in this enter body box as welcome to Global Visa Consultants. How can we assist you today? I also added some message content inside it as well. You can customize it based on your agency or company. Now for adding list of types of options, you have to click on this add section button, enter the section title in this field. Here I am giving the section title as visa types. For adding multiple types of visas, you just have to click on this plus add items button. Right now I am adding only 4 types of visas, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added such as study visa, work visa, visit visa, PR and immigration. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. After that, I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this list node. See, it is connected. Now when the client will select the visa type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am going to add the custom field nodes. For that, I am clicking on the sections option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field from here as visa type and entering the study visa in this enter value box because I set this contact custom field specifically for this visa type. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Now what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like visa type, contact number, full name, email address and many more. In simple terms, it is used for sending personalized message to each user. In few minutes, we'll understand this more clearly. Here I have set this contact custom field specifically for this visa type. Now I am going to the setup of 3 more contact custom field nodes for each of them also. Here I have added, as you can see that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a visa type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to the clients fully personalized based on their input. Now when the client will select the visa type that they want to book a consultation for, then my bot will respond to them by asking them to select the country. So for that, I'm again doing the same that I have done previously, means I'm again adding this list node from here and the contact custom fields as well. Here I added, and inside this list node I have entered the messages. Please select the country you are interested in, entered the section title as country and multiple types of countries names as well. And for this too, I have done the same that I done previously. After that, I am linking all these 4 contact custom field node circle to this list node. Because connection plays major role, you have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when the client will select the country that they are interested in, then my bot will respond to them by asking them to share their full name, contact number, email address and much more. So for adding these types of questions, you just have to take this ask question node from here and enter the question in this enter message box as may I know your full name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your clients will re-answer this question that you have entered in this field. It also works like this. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but the client will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then bot does not give any reply. And for handling these type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our user so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. When the client will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number, email address and the brief description about their visa requirement. So for that, I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added where in this question node I ask the client to share their contact number, this for the email address and this for the brief description related to their visa requirements. Here I added only some questions, but you can add more. Now when the user will reply all of these questions, then bot will ask them to share their qualification by again sending them this type of message in the form of list. So for that, I am again adding this list node from here, entering the message, section title as well as multiple types of qualifications. Here I have added as high school, bachelor's, master's and PhD. After that, I am linking the circle of this question node to this list node. It is connected. Again, I am adding the contact custom field nodes as well for the same. Here I have added, as again I'm saying that I have created this chatbot flow by my choice. You can customize it. You need to understand the logic only. After adding these contact custom field node, now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the clients, and that will be fully personalized based on their input, just like this. So for that I am adding this text button from here and entering the message in this enter message box as visa consultation request received, thank you, with dollar symbol, full name, visa type, country, qualification, contact number and email. As you can see that I have used a dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the client's provided input will come. Here in this step, whenever the client will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will automatically captures their provided response and mention their specific name in this place. So this is how contact custom fields work. See, as soon as I have shared my full name as a smart user while answering this question, that will automatically mention the smart user at the end. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields that I have selected in each of these nodes as well as this dollar symbol. So this is how contact custom fields work. Now with this message I want to add one quick button by the name of contact team. For that I'm clicking on this plus add button and provide the button name as well as select the button type from here. After that I am clicking on the save button. Now when client will click on this contact team button, then my bot will share them the contact details of the visa consultant. For that I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. After that I am entering the contact information of the visa consultants in this enter message box. Here I have added and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow using Pabbly Chatflow. And make sure to enable this toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will becomes active and it will work. If it is not enabled, then it will becomes inactive. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this chatbot flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. This chatbot will give instant replies to your clients in real time like this. Ask about their information, provide them instant replies 24/7 even when you are unavailable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own immigration agencies as well. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.